Hello guys, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, I'll teach you how to change a particular word from a particular selected area from the paragraph or text. Okay, I'm here selecting those lines 1 to 8. I need to change young word to baby. Okay, I need to change 1 to 8 lines containing contains this young word. I need to change this young word to baby. Just select the text and just press Ctrl H. Then now we are successfully opened this replace window here, and just type young. Okay, you need to change this young. Okay, you just type young, then replace with what? Baby, and type baby. And also don't forget to tick this selection in selection. Okay, tick this one. So we are finding with name young and change it to baby. In tick the in selection. Now you can see replace all. We have successfully replaced the selected lines only that young change it to baby. Okay, you can use this method for changing. Normally in like this Windows notepad, there is no option for selected lines. Okay, you can also you can just replace or replace all. There is no for selected text. Okay guys, so this method is very useful for changing a particular word in a mass text. Okay, okay guys, if you like this video, please like and comment your thoughts and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.